Hey artists, check this out. With Midjourney V6, even a stick figure master can now cook up wildest characters with just a few clicks. Hi mates, Maddie here from AI Fire Tutorial, and today I'm gonna tell you all the secrets on how to create incredible characters that stay consistent across multiple images using Midjourney. And whether you are dreaming up the next animation project or just wanna wow your kids with your rat designs, this tutorial is for you. Now head over to Midjourney Discord and just simply enter the prompt to create the character that you have in mind. For example, splash immersion, and enter the prompt of your character here. So for me, I will create an 18-year-old American girl with anime style appearance. She has braided blue hair with purple highlights and ocean eyes. She wears a black striped t-shirt, dark violet short skirt, black gloves, and black leather boots. Blah blah blah. So remember that the more details you add in the prompt, the more consistent this tool will be. Now just click enter and wait for the result. Once Midjourney whips up some options for your prompt, choose the one that you like best in the full picture and upscale it. So here I like the first one best, so I will click U1 here to upscale this picture to enhance its quality. Okay, so here's my character. Now if you want to see your character in different poses and expression, just copy the original prompt here. So enter the original prompt and add some details about her poses and expression, smiling happily and sitting in a chair. Now click this picture here, open in browser and right click to copy the image address here. Now we will add some more secret sauce for Midjourney to create the consistent character for us. So I will add --cref here, paste the link of the image and also add --cw100 here and click enter. So when you add --cref, Midjourney will keep your character consistent, and when you add CW100, Midjourney will keep all the details of your character without making any changes like the hair color or the style, the outfit. So we have 4 pictures of my character here and basically they look the same. Okay, so let's try another one. So I will do the exact same step like I do here to splash immersion. I also include the original prompt here. Okay, so make some changes about her expression and her poses, like she is angry and pointing her hand in front of the camera. I also keep the same parameters as the above prompt, like --cref, the link of the image, and --cw100 here. Okay, so now I will click enter and see the result. So there we are. My character basically looked the same in 4 pictures. And now just simply upscale your favorite pictures and download them to your laptop to use for your animation project. Well, there you have it, you creative genius. With Midjourney, you now have the ability to bring the characters of your imagination to life. Don't forget to smash that like, hit subscribe, and share this tutorial with your fellow artists to level up your design skills that you haven't never thought possible.